You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words once and for all correctly and clarify their pronunciations. The top word is pronounced as, in English, secretariat. Secretariat comes from the French word secretariat. Secretariat. Bottom word is pronounced secretary in British English, secretary, or secretary in American English, secretary, American pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.